Hello everyone, today let me show you one of our workshops. We produce many kinds of tube filling sealing machines for aluminum tubes and practice tubes. Now let me show you one of our practice tube filling sealing machines. This is one of our semi-auto practice tube filling sealing machine, suitable for filling honey, detergents, creams, jams, and so on. Machine is Panasonic PLC. Touch screen, it is easy to adjust. Machine is stainless steel 304. Now let me show you the detail. The first step, put your anti-tubes on the tube mode manual. And this one is mark checking. This is the mark. And this sensor will see the mark and make the right pattern, like this one. Made the tube in the right pattern. And this is filling. We use rotor pump filling. It is more high accuracy. And this filling nozzle is anti-drop filling. Why we use anti-drop filling? No liquid remains in the tube sealing part, this part. And this is sealing. We use twice heat sealing for sealing parts. So the sealing is more firmer. And this one is date printer. It can print expired dates, batch number on the tube tail. Machine can print this date. And this is cutting the tail and make the tube more beautiful, like this. And this is finished product output. Okay, now let me show you the machine running. Send us inquiries if you want to get more details. Thank you.